Hi, my name is Bash Harry and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be pretty exciting because I bought a lot of Primark makeup. I was really lucky to be sent a gift card and I thought, you know what, it'd be really exciting if we try out their makeup collection because I see it all the time when I'm in Primark. Never had a chance to use it. I'm a bit wary of it because it's so cheap. But they recently came out with a Nudes collection, which some people say is a dupe for the KKW, so I really want to see it and test it out. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I purchased from Primark is it's not even opened yet. So we're gonna start off with their Primark Primer Water Spray. It doesn't taste nice, and I think I applied a bit too much. It tastes disgusting. Don't put it in your mouth. Next up, we're gonna try their InstaGirl #SelfieReady Blur Primer. They had a blur stick as well, and it was only £2, but every single product there was open and tried out, and I wasn't gonna take my chances on purchasing a product that someone's already used. It definitely feels like silicone. The foundation I wanted to purchase wasn't in store. It was supposed to be a dupe for the Estee Lauder. Instead, I purchased their My Perfect Color Matte Foundation, medium full coverage in Nude Beige. Their Nudes collection also came with 2 sponges, so I thought I would purchase them and see if it's good. Why isn't it coming out? You know what? It's fine. That is not a liquid consistency. That's thicker than I thought it'd be. I'm at least hoping it'll give me some coverage compared to the Poundland foundation, and I'm hoping this performs at least worth the £3. We'll make it work. I know it looks really pale on camera, but I'm gonna tell you, it's not that bad in real life. Maybe a bit bad in real life. I look super wet. This is not a matte finish. I'm just gonna blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. It still doesn't want to come out. Yeah, I need it everywhere. It's just £3. It's just £3. It's blending much better with my Real Technique sponge. Look at that glob. That is looking dewy. It's not a matte finish, and it's definitely not medium to full coverage. Next up, we've got My Perfect Color Concealer Stick. This one is in Cool Sand. I don't have much expectation about their foundation and concealer bases. This one in particular is only 90p. I'm just layering it because I do want to cover my dark circles. I'm going out tonight to watch my friend's show, and I really hope I don't look like a total mess by the time night arrives. Do I look cute? I don't want to look like I have a weird Homer Simpson beard going on. So before I set everything, I really want to try out their Nudes Highlight and Contour Kit. I think these are definitely supposed to be dupes, or at least imitations of the KKW sticks. They only come in one kit, no deep, dark, or medium, or light, so I just purchased one and it's about £8. So this is about how much you get in their contour stick. Ooh, that's way too dark for me. This one is marginally better. I might have to use that one as my contour. As for the highlighters, they look about the same. This one is definitely too dark for me to use. This one might be alright just because of the shimmer. I'm gonna apply that one. Here's to hopefully making it look decent. That's about the same shade as my skin tone. Yeah, I'm scrubbing it in and I don't see anything. That is as good as we're gonna get the highlight. So I'm gonna try contouring with the lighter section. Not too much. This is definitely way too dark for me. Do I want to do my nose? Boop, boop. Maybe a bit on the forehead and sides of my jaw. Just gonna blend that out. I don't know if it's blending or it's just fading into nothing. Once I apply the sponge, it just disappears. Even when blended out, I can see a bit of the contour, but not as dark as I would expect. considering how dark the contour stick was. With the highlight, it doesn't leave any blinding highlight. It just leaves a really translucent, dewy finish, which I guess was the point. Maybe with a better foundation, it would be more noticeable. I totally forgot I purchased this. This is their Nudes highlighter stick. When you open it, ooh, that fell out. This one fell out. I think this highlighter stick isn't really inspired by Kim Kardashian. More than anything else, I think it was inspired by Milk Makeup just because of the packaging is very similar. I might actually like this highlight better. It is very creamy and you can see the gold pinkish flecks. It does leave like a weird film where I applied the highlight though. You know, since the contour is not that noticeable, I think I'm just gonna try again, just a bit. Just on my cheekbones, nothing too special. This is also because I really want to try out the brush. That's the contour we're looking for. It blends out to an orange shade, but not as dark as I would have expected it to. I really like this brush. It's not that bad. I know it looks way harsher on camera, but it's honestly not that bad. Before anything else, I'm gonna set it with my Perfect Color setting powder. This is in Porcelain. Oh, it's mattifying powder. Mattifying powder, forgive me. I'm not an oily person, I'm normal to dry skin. It's just that with this foundation and with the concealer, I can just tell the oils are coming through, and I'd really want to prevent that. Before we move on, I'm gonna use their iconic brow pomade, which is in the shade Tobacco. It's actually really pigmented. My brows aren't really that even, but we're just gonna let that slide. I think I kind of want to continue doing the rest of the face before I do the eyes. So I also purchased the Primark Nudes contour palette, which isn't really a contour palette. It comes with, I think, 2 highlighters, a contour, and a blush. So that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of my face. I'm gonna take Polar and apply it on the highest points of my cheeks. Is it noticeable? Doesn't seem to want to show up though. Do you see that? Just a bit, just a little bit. I'm gonna add a bit of Pure, that looks more shimmery. And see if I can get some glow going. Next up, I'm gonna try and contour with Reveal. Just by lightly tapping on it, you're getting a lot of fallout. It's really dark on the pan, but when applying it, at least with a really light hand, it's not that noticeable, which is a good thing when you want to do contour. Next up, we've got Blushed, and this is Exposed. Oh, you can see some blush peeking through, and a bit on my nose. And I don't hate it, like at least it's showing up. Before we move on to the eyes, I did also get these Nudes Body Shimmer Dust. Ooh! It comes with a little powder puff. I'm gonna try applying it to my neck. Yeah. Dude, oh shoot. I shouldn't have done that. Does that shimmer? Does my neck shimmer? It actually kind of does. Cool. I've never had body shimmer, but now I think I'm just gonna douse my neck and face with body shimmer and just come in and glow like a little star. Okay, this time I'm actually gonna try and highlight with a loose powder. Ooh, now that's a highlight. I think this is only £4. Let's move on to the eyes really quickly. So this is the Nude Matte Eye Cream in Whipped. It's a little grayer than I thought it'd be. Ooh, that feels a little goopy. I'm gonna see if I can blend that out. I thought this was gonna be a matte white, but when it blends out, it looks really gray on the lids. So the Nudes collection also has this eyeshadow palette. I think this is about 28 shades. Obviously, I'm not gonna apply every single shade in this palette, but I'll definitely try to do a review on it. This feels so plastic. I think this is like an eyeshadow palette my mom would have given me when I was 7. I'm gonna set everything with this shade right here. So I'm gonna be taking this color right here and blending it into my crease. There's a lot of fallout though, be careful of that. I'm gonna take this shade and apply it into the crease as well. I'm actually a little impressed with the nude shades. I'm gonna go ahead and darken the outer crease using this color right here, this dark brown. This eyeshadow is actually going really nicely. Very impressed with the pigmentation. I think I'm gonna add some gold onto the lids and be using this shade right here. I'm taking the light brown color again and applying it underneath my eye. This is their Girls with Attitude lashes in Glamour. I picked these ones out because they remind me of the Ardell Demi Wispies. Lashes are on, and to be honest, I really like this eyeshadow look. It's nice. And finally for lips, I purchased two. This is their Nudes Matte and Gloss collection, and this is their lip collection in Mesmerize. I think I'll go ahead and swatch these and apply these on my lips. Unfortunately, I don't think any of these four have names, but I'm just gonna swatch them anyway and just call them by shade, I guess. Those are the four shades swatched. This is their matte gloss collection and it's only 6 quid. The one I'm really excited to use is this one, which is their High Shine lip gloss and lip liner in Mesmerize. They do have another one, which is a matte gloss, kind of an oxymoron if you think about it. But I wanted a lip gloss just because I think I have too many mattes. I honestly thought it would pull more brown, but on my lips it's really pinky. Now I'm gonna apply the gloss. It smells a lot like butterscotch, like how the NYX lip cream smells like. Let's see if I can apply another gloss on top. I'll be applying this one right here. To be honest, I think it's kind of washing me out, but I don't hate it, which is weird. So I guess we're done now. This is the finished face. Insert clips of me posing here or something, I don't know. Okay, final thoughts. I am really impressed with Primark's makeup. Not their My Perfect Color. I don't think that range is any good. The foundation, the concealer, their powder, not great. There are better ones for less than 10 quid. But their Nudes collection is really impressive. Like, I'm looking at my makeup right now and I would not expect it to all be under 10 quid. Their eyeshadow is 8 quid, and for 8 quid, it's really not that bad. The lashes are my favorite. I think I'm gonna wear them more often. And the lips are really good. All the highlight and contour products that I purchased were really impressive, in my opinion. I did use a heavy hand because I was really worried it wasn't gonna show up. I'll probably write a blog post about the Nudes collection, so if you wanna check that out, I'll have the link down below. Hello, it's Beige here. My camera died, so I'm just gonna use this other camera to talk to you. I just need to film the ending. If you like this video, do like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me if you want to see more videos like this. I quite enjoy making them. I think they're really fun. So, my name is Beige, and I'll see you soon. Bye!